Service again, jersey number 19, Russell Coutinho. Receive. Hineron. Sisep. Hineron again. Hisine. Pinalo para Alban. Official score, 20-13 in favor of Dash. Parang Flash. Service error from jersey number 19. Service jersey number 10. Pink Panthers. Set, taking it out. Inside. 21-14. Service, Kayla Flores, Aki. Time, not net. 22-14 in favor of Dash Parang Press. Casey Academy. 22-15 in favor Dash Parang Press. Lahat ang naglalaro. Receive. Over Brazil. 22-16 in favor of Dash Parang Press. Parang sila. Service ace from jersey number 17. Official score 22-17 in favor of Dash Parang Press. Papaloon to Luis inside. 23-17 in favor of Dash Parang Press. Receive. Papaloon ni Alec. Good. Service jersey number 4. Jordan Jerusalem, aka Princess Napato, Chas. Papalin! Nag-asin na ulit siya! Nalika na ulit siya! Second ball! Dash Parang Press. Receive. Papaluan. Ikapin. Palingan doon. Hinaw! Ano si Casas? Papaluan ni Alan, pero wala ka. Papaluan ni Luis! Outside. No check. No touch. 24-19 in favor of Dash Parang Press. Ang press kasi nila. Receive. Papalain ko ninyo! Pero buhay ang bato. Papalain din sa amin!